How to rewatch Instagram video messages. So you will only be able to watch those Instagram video messages or rewatch them if they allow replays. So as you can see right here, I have this video right here that whenever I click it, I will no longer be able to rewatch it. So when you try to send someone a video message and you want them to actually be able to rewatch it, you can head over and record your video. Once you've recorded it, you can click on this allow replay. Then click on this send right here. And when you send that to the person, it will send it on your conversation. So as you can see, they have different structures. Those videos that don't allow rewatches has this video right here. And then those videos that allow rewatches will be shown like this. So you can head over and click on that and rewatch it to your liking. So make sure that those has those features, and then you should be able to do so. So that's how you watch Instagram video messages.